and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox my Stitch Fix box that just arrived. Forgotten it was coming today, so it's a pleasant surprise. So let's open the box and see what I got. I'm so excited. Oh, I see shoes, what I think look like shoes. I love shoes, so let's see. Oh, yeah. Aren't they pretty? They look like Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz, except for they're a little darker. But they're sparkly. See if I can get a little closer. Okay. So yeah, I really like those. Now let's see what else is in here. Oh yes, it's a dress. Let me stand up so you might can see it a wee bit better. It kind of scrunches in at the middle, and it's kind of long, goes down past my knees. It's black, it's very pretty. Love it. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, figure out what this is. Looks like a dress. Oh yeah, I like this too. Oh, there we go. Isn't that cute? I love it. That would be great for spring and summer. I see some more pretty color in here. Oh yeah, perfect for, you know, like cool spring days with the long sleeves or evening out. Love it, love the color. It's a nice pretty orange. And I'm pretty sure they'll love this too. Oh yes, another dress. Love it. Perfect. It does kind of scrunch up here to the side. So one day I'll do a video with one of these dresses or some of these dresses or whatever. So that is my Stitch Fix box for this month, and I'm so excited. Can't wait to try everything on, and thanks for watching today. If you like my channel, please subscribe below, and please like this video. Thanks.